Hi, my name is Dr. Rana. I'm a specialist orthodontist from the UK. So Invisalign treatment is not high maintenance because in comparison to fixed appliances or fixed braces, they can be removed whilst eating, so they don't require a specific diet. So you can eat anything that you wish, provided that you remove it whilst eating. It also helps with cleaning because you don't have to have special small toothbrushes to clean around the braces, because essentially you can remove them every time you brush your teeth. Additionally, you can floss as you wish, and you don't have to use special super floss that will go around the wires, because you can remove the appliances, floss your teeth, and then put the appliances back in again. The only thing that we mention to all of our Invisalign patients and candidates is that they have to be compliant by wearing these aligners 22 hours a day, including sleeping hours. So they only remove the appliances whilst eating, whilst flossing, and whilst brushing their teeth. If you have any queries at all, I'd love to hear from you. Please come and visit me at Dr. Joy Dental Clinic in the Palm branch.